This year marks the 63rd anniversary of the 1956 Women's March against the past laws, as well as 25 years of democracy in South Africa. This Women's Month, Parliament calls the nation to reflect deeply on progress achieved in the past 25 years, particularly in the areas of women's empowerment, gender mainstreaming, equality, and the abolition of any discriminatory practices and abuse against women. Through legislative interventions, Parliament will continue to protect women and girl children while holding the executive to account regarding the implementation of laws and policies promoting their interests. Some of the key legislation promoting the interests of women passed by Parliament since 1994 include laws against discrimination and inequality, the Promotion of Equality and Prevention of Unfair Discrimination Act, laws against violence and harassment, the Domestic Violence Act and the Criminal Law Amendment Act. Parliament has also passed laws protecting the rights of women, such as reproductive health, the Choice on Termination of Pregnancy Act, and customary law, the Recognition of Customary Marriages Act. The continuing increase in women's representation in Parliament enables greater sensitivity and vigor in the advancement of women's issues through oversight, lawmaking, and public engagement. As the highest oversight and lawmaking body of our country, Parliament will continue to use its powers enshrined in the Constitution to abolish practices and acts that discriminate against women, devalue their humanity, and harm them. Parliament salutes the women of South Africa for their resilience, courage, and tenacity. Parliament, following up on our commitments, making your future work better.